Hey guys, it's Amanda. What's up? I hope you're all doing amazing. I hope you're having a great day. Today, I'm bringing to you a video that has literally been in the works for, I want to say, okay, it hasn't even been, it's like been a month. It's been a month. I recently redid my room. You guys have basically seen it, like you haven't seen the details or like where each thing is in relation to each other, but I've definitely filmed a ton of videos in my room since I redid it. But this video is literally the entire process of me doing it, so you guys are probably familiar with what my room looked like before, and it just wasn't the vibe anymore. I feel like I had really changed a lot as a person in the last like 3 years since I had my room in that way, and I just felt like I couldn't like grow in my environment. I'm really sensitive to my environment, and also because of lockdown I spend literally all of my time in my room, you know what I mean? So I wanted to make it a place that I felt like really resonated with me, which basically meant all white and hardly anything in it. So I did a huge clean out of like my Alex drawers, which you guys will see, my closet. It felt really amazing, and I painted, and you guys will see everything. It was probably like an entire weekend that I spent. What took the longest was going through my fucking Alex drawer, because it literally is a catch-all for everything I've ever received, like cards, things from vacation, like souvenirs, like everything, school shit, photos, old jewelry. Like it took a long ass time to go through, and I like have a problem and can't let anything go. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Day one, baby. You already know we spent the entire day just emptying out my dresser, my Alex drawer, my desk. Basically all of the furniture in my room, it needed to be emptied in order to carry it out. So I spent the whole day taking all of my clothes out of my dresser, going through them, putting them in my brother's room. I stored basically everything in their room. This was very needed. I went through all of my clothes, got rid of tons of stuff I didn't need, especially old socks, underwear, shit like that I never go through. So this was super satisfying to do. These are all of my clothes on my brother's bed. Luckily, they weren't home for the whole week that I was doing this. Day two was spent clearing out my room again. This time it was more decorations that I was clearing out. Also, I stripped off all of my photos and prints on the wall because I was painting, so everything had to come out. This is what the upstairs of my house was looking like for probably 4 or 5 days. All that shit is from my Alex drawer. Like, do I have a problem? I don't know.
This is tripod, Joe.
Just hold it.
Okay,
No, just
tripod.
please.
Don't. Amanda,
Please, yo, just, you could have already done it. I began to tape off my windows and floorboards to prepare for painting. We decided to just leave the curtain things on my wall because we couldn't figure out how to get them off. This took quite a while, but low-key very satisfying. I also hadn't really decided if I was going to put my furniture back where it was originally or if I was going to switch it up, so I spent some time designing my room. Finally, we started painting on the third day. I did have to finish taping off some areas. Also, we patched, I'm saying we like I did this. My mom's boyfriend patched some holes on my wall, so there was a lot of dust from that, so I vacuumed that shit up. Ended up just leaving my bed in my room because it was too big to move out through the door, and no one was trying to take it apart. We covered it with some plastic and started painting. This paint is the color White Opulent or White Opulence, either one. I'll put it on the goddamn screen. It's by Benjamin Moore. It's a very warm toned white, kind of creamy. Everybody I told that I was painting my room white was like, bitch, your room is already white, but it really wasn't. It's a base coat light gray that was just painted on all the walls when we bought the house, but definitely not the most inviting color. I finished painting pretty early in the day, so once it had dried, I was actually able to start moving my furniture in the night of. So I made my bed, which was so satisfying. It looks so fucking clean. I also played around with moving my furniture just to see how I liked it. My desk did not fit here with the chair. There was just like not enough room. So I put it back where it was before, got my lamp on that bitch, my chair, and moved in my Alex drawer, my dresser, got everything situated. And then the next day was when I started decorating. So you guys will see the final reveal in my room tour. I've never even done a room tour. Like every single time I'm making a video list, I always put room tour on the bottom just as like a little, you know, but I've never done it. And I feel like I'm just waiting for like the absolute perfect time until I'm like, this is me in my room, like here we are. But I'm never gonna feel that content, okay? So I'm showing you my room as it is currently. It's going to change, definitely. I want you guys to see my room.